it's me Natascha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to tell you how to make the cantaloupe ice with basil seed. Are you curious with that? So let's join me to make this ice. The ingredients are needed as the first is cantaloupe or Indonesian. It's called blewah, an ice cube. It's a soaked basil seed, then nata de coco, simple syrup, lime, and the equipment that we need is spoon, tablespoon, knife, the cutter of cantaloupe, water goblet or glass, bowl, and cutting board. So the first you need to wash your cantaloupe and cut the cantaloupe into two pieces or smaller pieces to get easier cut the cantaloupe. After that, you must removing the seeds of cantaloupe with the tablespoon. After that, you need to cut your cantaloupe with the cutter of cantaloupe and place it to your bowl. And then next, we cut the lime. So the bigger one, we will use this for the garnish, and this one, smaller one, we will use for to take the juice. So the smaller one we just need to cut into two pieces, and this one we cut into a few pieces for the garnish. Okay guys, so it's time to mix all of the ingredients in the glass. So the first we need to take the cantaloupe with a spoon and we move to the glass. It's about 2 tablespoons of cantaloupe. Please move carefully. Okay, the next we take the slice of lime. The next we add the nata de coco. It's about 2 tablespoons of nata de coco. And we need to add the water of nata de coco. Next, we add basil seeds. About 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons. The next we add the simple syrup. It's about 1 tablespoon of simple syrup. And the last one, we need to add the ice. After that, we need to add the squeeze of lime juice. And the final touch, we add the slice of lemon for garnish. Well, that's it. This is a cantaloupe ice with basil seed. So don't forget to recook my recipe and please tag me on Instagram or comment on my YouTube channel if you already recooked my recipe. Okay, that's it, my video for today. Thank you for watching and bye bye!